What's going on, you guys? Today we're going out and we're gonna go do some lake trout fishing. I got me, my brother, and a couple of friends. We stayed the night here in this hotel in Gunnison so that we're a little closer to the action. But we'll be in the lake in about an hour and looking forward to it. Stay tuned. Hopefully we can get on some good action. And yeah. Holy shit, this is slippery. Oh, yeah, that's at least I saw an 8 here. Huh? Let's just get a depth real quick. Bet. Oh boy, we are in there. We're sitting in 25 feet of water, boys.
25 feet right here?
23. So I think we could either go a little deeper or we could just start here and try it out. Let's do it. Fuck it. Go from there, see what we want to do after.
Yeah, so like, so just turn around and
Oh.
watch. Like,
Was that a fish or was that me? I might have fucking like somehow put some pressure on it, but I'm moving my shallower. I think that might be a good call. Halftime report. Haven't caught shit. We got 3 jigs. Bottom sitting right around 23. We got something right around 20.
that's weird.
We got 2 things right around 20 then, because this one's at 20 also. I think I'm right at like 18. And then something's cruising or sitting right at like 15. We're just dead sticking because jigging doesn't seem to be working. We gonna catch a fish though. If it's the last thing we do. Last up. Not focused. Focus. See cheese. Alright. Dude, the lake trout, from what I hear, they literally start biting midday. So like it's barely 10:20. We could be just getting to a good bite time. Yeah, he's coming up again. It's just so hard to tell. It's not going though. Alright, come on. I'm on. Oh yeah. Oh, it's a brown. Oh, is that a... Oh, no! No! Oh, they're biting, boys. We might have to just move shallower. Come back, baby. Baby, come back. Oh, this is awesome. I love ice fishing all of a sudden. You guys can just leave those ones in. I'm gonna grab a couple from right here. Just for a sec so we don't blow away. That was either the most colored up rainbow. Oh, it's off again. It's off again. Come on. Come on. Oh, is it on? It kicked once, so I wanted to wait and set the fucking hook on it. Alright, I need to change the settings so that it sets the hook harder. Flags up, flags up, flags up. Please be spinning. Alright, I'm moving the flag over down here. Oh my god, it fucking went up again. I'm just running back and forth. Come on, it's off though, I think. Oh, this is insane. Alright, we good? I know. We're good. Joe, watch that hole. Alright, I think that's all the holes besides this other one that and perfect. Alright, now she's at least not gonna go anywhere. So we can get the other ones out of over there and put them in. Just tighten these ones. Now, we should be good. Whew. Oh, come on. Come on. Come on. Yes, sir. Oh, this thing is big. Got him. Let's go. Fat ass rainbow. Well, he's not fat as fuck, but he's good size. Let's go. All right, buddy. You're going to my grandma. All right, y'all, update. We were fishing right over there for like 3 hours, had nothing. I put another hole right here. We started getting bites. So we moved our shelter. Now we're gonna start getting more bites. About to go crazy. Keep you updated. Let's go. Oh, look at hit. Oh, yeah. Oh, I think I said it too hard. I think I lost him. Let's go! Oh, that's nice. No! Oh, fuck. Oh, they're so hard once they get close. I don't know why they pop off like that. You really got to give them the beans when you set the hook, I think.
That's why.
Oh, it just got stuck in there. It got stuck in the little plastic.
Oh. No, he bent the hook.
Oh, he did? Oh. Oh, I have a different one.
Did you see it?
It was either a rainbow or brown. It kind of looks like a brown.
Yeah, I agreed at that time.
Oh, it doesn't look like it got the set though. fucking way. Wait, just let it go, bro. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for this video. Unfortunately, we obviously lost our tent on the ice today. It flew across the whole lake and it did break, so we had to spend some time cleaning that up, as well as everything else that got blown across the ice. So yeah, it was a fun day, and we'll be back out there again soon enough. But I appreciate you guys for watching. If you stuck around out here, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you again next time.